Ever felt like your fridge is staring? Mine is. And I think it's secretly filming. Last night's questionable pizza choices. Caught on camera. That week-old takeout? Exhibit A in my fridge fail case file. Is it judging my midnight snacking habits? Absolutely. The crisper drawer is practically whispering, "Eat your veggies." Maybe it's live streaming to some kind of food police? This is beyond a messy fridge. It's a full-blown culinary crime scene. Time to clean up my act before the evidence goes viral.